Hello investors and welcome back to Just Randy Stocks. So today I did not sell. I will not sell until I see this Q3 earnings. I'm still bullish. And if we look at all the news that came out here lately, I wanted to start with the Inner Spirit shares and the Inner Spirit arrangement. This closed in July. So just a reminder, July. We've got a quarter that is only going to consist of revenue from August and September. And I just wanted to remind you of that because there's two pillars, right? And the investment operations, Sunstream Bancorp, Canadian Cannabis Credit, and the M&A focused for equity. So I just wanted to remind you about that, but not only on this slide, the Spirit Leaf brand for 161 million, and this is Canadian dollars. We've got down here June, July, and August. So I would assume that we've just got a bunch of numbers on this slide. These aren't going to apply to Q3, so this doesn't help us because we don't close this deal until Q4. So this isn't going to start until the Q1 of 2022. So when I'm looking at this number just once again, understanding that we closed that deal in July, now I'm looking at August and September. That's 2/3 of a potential 161 million Canadian dollars. And then I go through here, we've sold shares. Now, we sold shares between September and October, but 1.1 million as a transaction, just like you and I taking profits. We had this Capital conference call, this exclusive interview with Sundial, where if you haven't looked at this, go ahead and take a look at this. Go look at it. I would recommend. It's only got 456 views. And we've got almost 200,000 people that are following Sundial. I don't think, unless you found it some other way, this tells the entire story on how Zach George is a beast. I'm telling you, and he's turned this company around. And we've got another news that came out that talks about a 9.5% rate that we're going to get on a quarterly basis. We know we're getting a 15% rate on a monthly basis from the company that we gave up the 3% equity stake in here. So Indivia, we're getting 15% from these guys. It's not in here, but we know that that's coming in that second pillar. Back here, we've got two pillars. It's coming in through this investment operations. So we've got that going for us. We've got news that's out there consistently. This is all talking about United States stuff. This happened in Las Vegas. But when he came to the conference back here on this exclusive interview, he was in New York, I believe. So he was in the States. Now, some of these investment operations are reaching over state lines, and any kind of news, like I told you before, that moves the market, whether it's related to Canada or the U.S., it's treated the same. But I believe some of the same things are happening in Canada that are going to happen in the U.S., and it's talking about this consolidation, massive consolidation. I mean, this rolling up of the businesses, which causes further dilution. It just depends who's rolling up who. We've got an 80-cent price target. Nothing's changed with the analysts. They're sleeping on this. I think they're sleeping on it. And if we go to the charts, we take a look at the charts. I mean, the volume has just been crazy. We are down here on the bottom of the RSI. That's close enough for me. Close enough for me that I think this is consolidating. Could have another big push. Now, I've got this on a 5-minute chart, so just take that into consideration. But on the Bollinger Band, we're at the bottom of it. If you look at the 5-minute chart, I mean, we're towards the bottom, down here. And the volume, the last thing to close you out with, I mean, the volume. Look, the last time we had volume this size and people took profits, you know, they're day trading this like crazy. 74 cents, high of 75. That's why I wanted you guys in around 66, you know, down here at these lows, 64, 66. Last time I did a video, I was like, hey, don't buy it. I don't recommend buying it. It pulled back. Maybe you got in a little bit lower. I just want to make sure that y'all are cautious with every single penny. I'm staying in this till Q3 all the way. I just wanted to give y'all an update. Thanks for watching. I'm going to turn it back over to y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.